This is exercise 16.1, question 13, okay? In the given figure, BC is parallel to DE. What this means is they have the same slope. These two lines aren't parallel, but these two lines here are parallel. This means BC is parallel to DE. Now, what this also means is that this angle here has to be equal to this angle here. It also means that this angle here has to be equal to this angle here. Okay? And then there's a common angle up the top. Now, if I want to separate out both triangles and draw them, okay? Let's just draw it by hand today. So I'm going to draw ABC on its own. That's ABC, and the other one is I'm going to draw the small triangle and the big triangle. Okay, and what I'm in effect is I'm changing the question into this. I'm changing the question into the triangle ABC and the triangle ADE. And what we notice is we put in our three angles. What can we say about both triangles now? The two triangles I drew on the board, what can we say about them? Similar. They're similar. What's the length of AB? 4. What's the length of AD? Length of AD? 7. What's the length of BC? 8. Okay? Now, both triangles are similar because the angles are equiangular. Each angle has another angle that it's equal to in the other triangle. Okay? Now, to do this question, what we say is that AB turns from 4 into 7. Yeah? What is the ratio of that though? So what is AD divided by AB equals, what are we looking to get? We're looking to find out what DE is, aren't we? Equals DE over what? What does it equal DE over? Which side corresponds to DE in this triangle here? BC. BC equals DC over BC. Let's fill in our numbers. What is AD? AD is
7.
AB?
4.
DE? We don't know. What is BC? 8. Cross multiply up the 8s and we find out what DE is. What's 56 divided by 4? 14. DE is 14. That's how we found that out. Okay? You just set it up so it looks like a similar triangle. Okay? This one here is number 16, okay? Now there's something you need to know about these ones, okay? I don't know if you've forgotten these rules or not, okay? There's two main rules. The first main rule is when you see a Z. When you see a Z, it's called alternate angles. This angle here equals this angle in here, provided they're both parallel. What does this mean about this angle here? And what does it mean about this angle here? Same as this one here. These are called alternate angles. You would have learned these in first year, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
Right. What about opposite angles? Does anybody know what opposite angles are? Opposite angles means this. This one here and this one here. Okay, when you have two straight lines, this one equals this one, and this one here equals that one. There, opposites. So what can we say about this here? Green and green. Now what do we have? We have two triangles that are similar. Repeat procedure for question 13. Do you understand? do the same thing. Draw them out separately and do the same procedure for question 13. Okay. Number 18. A tall man who is sitting straight in his seats is blocking John's view. John is 10 meters from the 4 meter high screen. The man is 1 meter in front of John. How far would the man need to lower his head and shoulders if John is able to see the screen? Okay, so here's what we have. We have a triangle. We have a screen. This here is the location, the red line is the location of the screen. That is the screen. Okay? Then we have the man who's blocking the way 1 meter ahead. Now, he needs to see all the screen. Okay? So he needs all the screen. The man's head ends here. Okay, so if I was to give him green hair, his green hair would be just at this point here, okay? John's a redhead, so we put some red in here. Okay? Now, what's happening is this is 1 meter. This here is 9 meters. The screen is 4 meters. And we want to find out what is this length here. If we're to label them, once again, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E. I have 2 triangles, don't I? What are the name of my triangles? Anybody? The first triangle is A, B, C. The second triangle is A, D, E. And what you notice about the size about this? A, B, C. They are similar. And what do we need to find out? 1 and 10. That is correct, okay? So how much AC gets turned into AE? And D and BC gets turned into DE. How many times bigger is this triangle than the left one? How many times bigger? 10 times bigger. This means that X is 10 times smaller than 4. What's 4 divided by 10? Anybody? 0.4. Okay guys, what we'll get you to